So how do you make money answering questions online? Well, in this video, I'm going to teach you a super cool method you could use right now to answer questions one time and literally get paid over and over and over again. Now, my name is Rakeem Madison, and we're going to jump right into today's content. All right, so the first thing I'm gonna show you is the results from me implementing what I'm about to actually teach you and to show you that it actually worked. Then after that, I'm gonna show you exactly what you need to do to be able to do this yourself. All right, so now you can see right here, it says 18 customers. So from me literally answering a simple question, I got 18 customers and that generated over $1,100 in sales. All right, so that's income stream number one. Now, if I go to another income stream, this income stream right here earned $809.40. But what's good about this one is it's a recurring income stream. So this continues to come in every single month, which I absolutely love. Now, in the next income stream, we got $203.61 is what was earned, which is pretty cool as well. Enough of the results. Let me actually get into teaching you what you need to do so you can start generating your own results. All right, so this right here is a question that people are searching for online right now. Now, it's up for me to go do the research to figure out how many people are actually searching for that. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna paste this keyword, I mean not paste it, we're gonna copy it, and then we're gonna come over to a tool that allows us to see exactly what that number is. Now roughly, it's gonna be roughly about that number, but it gives us a good idea to figure out, okay, how much traffic can we actually get to this? And then after that, we're gonna move on to actually getting them to something that can actually make us money. All right, so we can see how to get a virtual business phone number gets 1,047 searches on average per month. So that's about 1,000 people per month searching for that. So what we want to do next is we want to put something in front of those people while at the same time answering those questions of something we can actually make money from. So from here, what I want to do is I want to put this into my software. So I'm gonna go ahead and paste this keyword into my software, and then I'm gonna go ahead and click on it. Now I've already done this video, but I just want to show you the process that I go through. So now the next step is I go ahead and I verify these grades. So I say, okay, I got an A relevance, I got a D, I got an F here, and then I got an E. Now I understand how this software works, so I know typically what I can go for. Now some of the times I go for the more competitive ones just so, just because I understand how to do SEO. Now when you're first starting out, you want to go for the more less competitive stuff, and then as you continue to build out and continuously create content, a lot of times you'll start to rank for some of the more competitive stuff just for the simple fact that you've stayed, specific to that niche. Hopefully that part right there makes sense. After that, I go ahead and I hit choose for step 4. Now, boom, you can see automatically it says competition too high. So this is actually one of the ones that I said, you know what? I'm just gonna go for it, and I'm gonna highly optimize my video to get to the #1 spot. So for this sake, I'm gonna go ahead and hit continue to step 4. All right, so you can see I've already did everything I would need to do. So how to get a virtual business phone number. I made sure my keyword was in my title, and then I put something that could be, like intriguing to the person, so I can get them to click. And then here, description. I went ahead and created a full description for my video, and I made sure that was highly optimized, right? And I got a training down below in the description. That training goes over exactly how you can get your videos to rank #1. So just after this video, just go ahead and go down to that first link down below in the description if you want to learn exactly how to do that. Now I'm going to show you my results so you can see that I'm ranking, so that you know that training that you got down there, it'll be beneficial. All right, so I went ahead and I made sure I put together some tags that were also highly relevant to our question, which was how to get a virtual business phone number. All right, so we got our title, we got our description, we got our tags. Now I want to show you what happens when you do this correctly. So I'm gonna go over here to an incognito browser, and then I'm gonna go to YouTube, and what we're gonna do is we're gonna type that question in. All right, so let's do it real quick. All right, so there's our question. And then when you type our question in, you can see I'm on incognito and I'm not signed in. So when you type this in, the first thing that people are going to see is your stuff if you do this correctly. Now, sometimes it can be quick if it's a real, low competition keyword. Now, if it's a little bit more competitive, it may take some time. But like I said, that training down below in the description will help you learn exactly what you need to do to get your stuff higher than your competition. Now, in this video, I make sure I create a hook that is going to get people to stay and watch. Now, as we continue to go throughout the video, I'm showing them exactly how this phone system works and how to set it up. And then at a certain point in the video, I'm going to give a call to action to say, hey, go ahead and click the first link down below in the description box if you want to get access to that specific business phone number. And then at that point, they have a decision to make whether they're going to do it or they're not going to do it, right? But if you structure your videos correctly and you make it to where they're intrigued and they can actually see that this could be beneficial for them, 9 times out of 10 they're going to listen to what you got to say and they're going to click the first link in the description box. Now, what's important though, let's go ahead and scroll down a little bit. What's important is I have the link right there in the description. Now, the way that I go about doing this is actually putting that link the first thing that they can see, and I let them know that, versus them having to go find the link, then they don't take action at all. You see what I mean? So that's very, very important. So hopefully you got some value from this video. And if you did, definitely go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Also, drop me a comment down below letting me know if this was helpful. And if you want to get access to the training that I spoke about earlier to be able to rank your videos to the #1 spot, definitely go ahead and click that first link down below in the description box. And I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Peace.